Okay guys, this is a video recording for problem number 30. It says a driver in the car traveling at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour sees a deer 100 meters on the road. What is the minimum constant acceleration that the car must undergo to avoid hitting the deer? Right off the bat, we know we must have our big what? 6x naught xf V naught. Can't find my pen, so I'm still a little rough with the handwriting. VF A equal and T. Now you must have what? Traveling at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So that means he's going 60 kilometers per hour. Since it says 60 kilometers per hour, go ahead and divide by the magic number 3.6, and that gives me 60 divided by 3.6. That should give me, do it again, 60 divided by 3.6 equals 16.67, because you know we're like two decimals. So that becomes 16.67 what? Meters per second. Right? Now, he wants to, with the minimum constant acceleration that the car must undergo so it avoid hitting the deer. Well, you want the deer to be right here. You want you to be right here, so you want to stop where just before you hit the deer. Our original position is 0. Do we know our final position? No, don't have that. Looking for acceleration, since your VF is stopping is 0 before you hit the deer. What's my time? We don't know. So now the question becomes, do we have an equation? Oh, it does give me a D. My bad. That's what? 100 meters. Okay. So we have an X, XF, A, and no T. So my question is, which equation don't have no T? Equation number 3. VF squared equals what? V naught squared plus 2A, this is going to be squeeze, X final minus what? X naught. Bad handwriting, but you got the picture. That's X naught. What's my final velocity? 0 equals, what's my initial velocity? 16.67 times what? Squared plus 2A, right? Ooh, that's a horrible A. Let me grab an eraser real quick. 2A, right? Final position is 100. Initial position is what? 0. So this becomes whatever 16.67 squared is. Let's go ahead and grab that number. I know 16 times 16 is 256. 17 times 17 is 289. So I should be somewhere in between there. Let's see what happens. 16.67 squared, 277.89. So now you know you have 277. Get that eraser. Bad handwriting. 277. .89. That's a pitiful looking 8, but you get the idea. What's 2 times 100? 200 plus 200A. I'm going to do two things in one time. 200A. I'm going to bring the 200A across the bridge, which is going to make it negative, but I know I'm going to switch it anyway, so I'm going to make it 277.89 negative. Right? You know, Smith does not like to divide by a negative sign. Divide by 200, right? So you're grabbing your handy dandy calculator, which you don't need, because you know half of 200 is 100. Half of 77 is 38 36.5. 36.5, half of this is 0.49. Somebody's going to freak out, so I might as well just do the calculator. Keep you happy. 277.89 divided by 2 equals, notice that should have been 200, so that answer becomes 1.3, and I didn't catch that one sign. Let me bring it back up. 277.89 277.89 divided by 277.89 divided by 200 equals 1.39. Notice that's going to be negative 1.39. Why should it be negative? Because it's what? Slowing down. So if you're slowing down, if your speed, so that's 1.389. That's problem number 30, negative 1.39, right? Meters per what? Second squared. Looking a little rough. I'm going to order me a pen tonight. We'll be taking donations for Amazon. Thank you very much. Love you, bless you. Thanks, Trent.